Surface etching caused by acidic spills can seriously mess up your countertops, and knowing how to fix it fast is clutch. So, first off, when you spill something acidic like lemon juice or vinegar, don't just wipe it away half-heartedly. Get a soft cloth and gently blot the spill right away to stop it from sinking in. Avoid scrubbing hard because that can make the etching worse. If you notice dull spots, try a mild baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with water until it's like toothpaste, and rub it gently on the spot with a soft cloth. Let it sit for a few minutes, but don't leave it too long or it might damage the surface more. After that, rinse with clean water and dry it properly. For deeper etching on stone surfaces, you might need a special polishing powder made for your countertop type. Just follow the instructions carefully. And always protect your counters by wiping up spills fast and using cutting boards or trivets. One of the biggest mistakes people make with surface etching from acidic spills is ignoring the spill and letting it sit, which makes the damage way worse and harder to fix. To fix that, get in the habit of cleaning spills immediately. Another common slip-up is using harsh cleaners or abrasive scrubbers that scratch or strip the surface even more. Switch to gentle cleaners and soft cloths instead. Finally, a lot of folks try to DIY deep repairs without knowing their countertop material, which can backfire badly. When that happens, it's smart to call in a pro or use manufacturer-recommended products for your specific surface. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners easily find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about fixing things like surface etching on countertops. At the same time, it gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people needing their skills, making repairs and home projects way less stressful for everyone involved.